the people in Cavite were making ships, but they need help, so the mayor said to the Visayans to go to the Cavite and help the ship people making galleons. But the Visayans didn't want, so they made a revolt against Spain, and the leader was Sumuroy, and he gathered many armies. He stayed in Palapag, in Leyte, no, hindi,
Samar.
in Samar, near Leyte.
Near Leyte.
Yeah, and then there he speared, he killed the priest of Palapag, and made army destroy houses and churches. And then when they camped in a hill, the Spaniards said, "Let us attack." So they fought in the battle on the open battle, and Sumuroy's men won. But on a steep place, they spied on a rocky path, and then when they went to the entrance, there was no one guarding because the Sumuroy's guard was absent. He was lighting a cigar. But when he came back, said, "Spaniards at our fort!" So all of Sumuroy's men ran every direction, and Sumuroy was killed. Another revolt stopped, but all of the revolts before that were also stopped. All except one, the Great Revolt.
Do you have an idea what's the Great Revolt already?
It's Andres Bonifacio.
So that's the one that wasn't stopped.
Yeah,
You think?
they freed diba? It was a very big. Yeah, that is also a big one, but that's bigger. Yeah, because they already have magkasama din ba si Jose Rizal? Nung time na nagla Solidaridad, when nag-revolt ang sa Philippines, time na yun. Nung La Solidaridad, may nakikita na akong match. Naka-match.
A match or connections.
Di ba po sa Philippines, punta siya ng La Solidaridad, yung time na yun, Andres Bonifacio nag-connect. Tapos,
That was that. Okay? Alright. Great connections.